I'm Cassie Bell. I am the Marketing Director at TSAT Accounting Solutions and back.
And I am Brianna. I am the Creative Content Director at TSAT Accounting Solutions and back.
We all know that inflation is rising, and that is a big struggle for small businesses. We would just like to give you maybe 3 tips to help you get through that.
So the first tip is review prices and profit margins regularly.
That is a great idea. You need to raise your prices, but with good judgment, because you don't want to overdo it. Inflation is a trend, it's kind of a trend, and many small businesses are adjusting their prices to compensate for the increased costs. By monitoring the competitive landscape, small businesses can remain competitive and retain their loyal customers, which is what you really want to do. You want to keep those loyal customers, and most of your customers that are loyal will understand that with inflation, you have to raise your prices some. Just don't get crazy with it. That's the biggest thing.
So another tip is look for ways to save and start reducing your overhead costs.
Rising costs is making it very hard for small businesses to stay profitable. And we understand that, but there are ways besides losing your employees or firing an employee. You could go paperless. We did that at TSAT. For the most part, paperless. We do everything online, and that saves a ton of money in paper and postage and all of that.
Our last tip is to explore opportunities to improve and optimize productivity.
So there are lots of apps and technologies out there that you can utilize that will help you be able to track and improve your productivity. And make sure when you're doing that, though, that your employees understand how to use those, because it's not going to help you if your employees don't know how to put the information in that needs to be done. But you definitely want to track all that so that you have an idea of what's coming in and what's going out, just like we talk about with back. And even if it does, for some reason, was to go back to normal, you still need to know what's going on in your business. So you need to be able to track all that and always know what's going on. No matter what industry you operate in, you always need to review your financial statements and positions regularly with your team or your accountant. And if you don't know where to start with that, give us a call or contact us through email at TSAT Accounting Solutions, and we can help you get that done.